I'm just out with the Nikon P1000 making a short sun flyby. I wanna give a shout to Sean Hibbler and Victoria. I wanna give a shout to Santos Bonacci. I hope you are good. To Alex Michael, to Martin Liedke. Tomorrow is Happy Flatter Day. Also much love to Shelley. I hope you are good, Shelley. As you can hear, the birds are singing for us. I hope we go live very soon. Also a big shout to Laura Nina. Also a big shout to the Flat Earth girl Corinna I met at the Kaiser Franz Josef Quelle 2 weeks ago. Tomorrow I will cut the grass in the garden. My friend the mechanic repaired the Rasenmäher, I don't know it in English. Also a big shout to the Flat Earth millionaire, Flat Darmsteiner. To Matt Long, you are very cool. And the firmament is also flat. So let's go to the maximum zoom. It's a little bit windy in Austria. Flat Darms to Matt. I don't know if Matt knows flat dams. To Johnny Level, also flat dams. Mike Trevett and Level Elvin. So this is the maximum zoom of the P1000. And let's make a sun flyby. Yeah, and Alex, your new song is very cool. I like it and I can't wait for your new album. Here is a sunspot. And the sun is not a ball of fire. Research Victor Schauberger. Also much love to Steffi, thank you for all the work you did with and for me and for the truth, for the flat earth. Very cool. And there should be or will come a translation from Level With Me, audio German translation. Yeah. Very cool. It's very hot here, we have 20 degrees, and now I remove the sun filter of the Nikon. Yeah, the sun is not very far away, so I hope we see us soon, and everyone is great. Ciao.